Alright guys, a couple weeks ago, went to the grocery store. Somebody wanted my tip worse than I did, I guess. I tacked it on and they decided that they were gonna cut it off with a Sawzall. So, still got the stock resonator on it. I just put a delete pipe on it when I deleted the truck. So I went on Alligator Performance and I bought basically a DPF back system, 4-inch. It'll bolt right to your delete pipe. I think it was 329 bucks, stainless steel, come with a fancy tip. Truck doesn't sound too bad right now, but we're gonna get this tip on, get this delete pipe, get all this stuff out of there, and we'll fire it up, see what she sounds like. All right guys, got it done. Took me about an hour to get through. Not too bad. Didn't have the correct means to cut the pipe I needed, but we made it. She looks pretty good. It's all in. Sounds a hell of a lot better. Basically, this kit is set up for a crew cab long box. I have a crew cab short box, so I had to cut off 16 inches of pipe to get where I needed to be on that section right there. So basically, you could do this with your basic hand tools. You just need, 5/8 socket extensions, 11/16 wrench to tighten up, the nuts on those. Other than that, channel locks. I popped out the rubber grommets for the hangers. Pretty basic install. It's kind of a pain to get this all together. I found that it was easier to put it all together outside of the truck, leave it loose, and then slide it under. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. We'll see how that stainless steel holds up over time. And yeah, there you go. Not super cheap, but it's an alternative if you're already deleted or you want the DPF back system.